So if your Roku device is constantly restarting or rebooting, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be a power issue. If you're not using this power adapter from Roku, or you maybe have a bad wire, what you're going to want to do, whatever power source you're using, is look at the numbers. And I don't know if you can see this, but it says output here, 5 volts or 1A. That's the requirement to run this so it doesn't shut off, right? So if it's restarting, it's basically begging for more power. So make sure that your wires are in good shape. Make sure that the wire is running, it's powering it just enough, and that should help. Now, we can look at a few things here. Let's see here. We're gonna check for an update, which is really easy. We'll just go into the settings section here, and in settings there should be an update somewhere. Okay, so settings, system, software update, and then you can check I recently checked, but make sure you don't have any updates waiting, because even a half downloaded update could be causing this issue. Now if you check your power, you check for updates, you're still having the issue, what you're going to want to do, and it's really unfortunate because it's a huge pain in the butt, but you're going to want to go into your advanced settings and you're going to want to do a factory reset. And that is to just factory reset it. We're going to kick it back to its factory settings to hopefully stop all of that rebooting. So yeah, those are the big things that you want to check. I hope this helps. Actually, one more. Before the factory reset, we can restart it. And sometimes restarting it is just as simple as unplugging it for 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. But I believe somewhere in here is, here we go, the power button. System restart, so you can restart the system as well. So probably do this before you do your factory reset, but those are all the things that we're going to want to check to hopefully stop it from cycling. If it's still cycling, I'm going to drop a link for I have the Roku Express 4K somewhere, and you can get a new one, fairly inexpensive. So hope it helps. See you next time. Bye.